Yep, I'm stuck in the inner tube. I'm just gonna lay here. All right, we are here. Winter has showed back up. This should be fun. Look, we got three black girls out here in the snow. Hello. Good. How are you? Eh. All right.
When you go to, when you get up there,
Yeah.
when you get up there, put your strap in the tube, put your down, keep your hands and your feet up, don't try to break, stop yourself from touching.
Okay.
When you get down here, hop up as fast as you can and get out of the way. And then don't stand on the edge either.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oops. And we're going up the hill. Why do I allow her to talk me into these things? Yeah, we the only grown ones. Girl, I ain't been tubing since I was like 8. Oh my gosh. Oh. And she got nerve to be trying to run up the hill. Really? Overachiever. Ooh. And uneven. Hold on, baby. Don't slide yet. This is crazy. Why? I really want this. Look at the ground. Uneven. So I need y'all to see my face. Hey, somebody, we did it. Whew. It's cold. I got asthma. And I'm out here. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Ah! Ah! Woo! All right. I know, right? I gotta get up. Ooh. I'm trying to get up. Jesus. Okay. Ah, come on. We all trying to get up. Okay. Yeah. That was fun. All right. I'm gonna try one more time. Hiking my butt up this hill. Yeah, now the wind's starting to blow. Yeah, let's see. Your hair is white. Seriously. Right? Yeah. Get you some friends that you're willing to risk it all for. All right, Nina. This is the. I ain't coming back up here. That's my finale of meeting. Hold on, let them clear down there. So I don't have no issues. But Oh, golly. Ah! Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Oh, oh, golly. Woo. Okay. How you end up on my side, though? Oh. Look, let me get out the track. Oh, thank you. I'm out here like, Lord Jesus, I'm about to make a snow angel. I'm so wore out. Yep. I'm stuck in the inner tube. I'm just gonna lay here. Oh, golly. It could be the adrenaline. Yeah. I was gonna say it's called near death. Yeah. All right.
Afterwards,
I know,
we
right?
did it.
Thoughts?
We slid.
She said we slid. I'm glad we didn't roll, okay? Although I had to roll to get off.
We rolled around.
I can't wait to
It
edit
was
this
a good
video.
time. It was a good time. If y'all haven't gone tubing, I recommend it. Try it. It's an exciting experience.
Yeah, it is. Climbing up the hill and then sliding backwards
sliding
down a
down.
hill. Backwards.
Right. And doing it all over again.
Right. Indeed. All right, we'll pause for now.